right, if you guys have followed us for any length of time, you've seen in our videos that we go to town for multiple reasons, mainly food, propane, gas, and supplies. So today we are going to town for a special reason, although we will grab supplies. We have an appointment, and I will reveal more along the way. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Emma's getting all geared up. All right, we are all geared up here. Actually, I need my hat on. It's super cold out and it's a little breezy. So I was just working up a sweat and I didn't want to quite sweat before we hit the trail. So that's why my hat is off. Anyways, we are geared up. We're loaded up here and ready to hit the trail for our special appointment. Well, it took a little longer than I wanted to get everything situated in the truck and at the trailhead, but we're all loaded up. Bonnie and Emma are warming up. It was quite the chilly ride. And are you getting warm back there, Emma? Yeah. All right. She's got our little cartoon. It's a beautiful day, and we are headed into town. I'm gonna get some sheet metal at the local home improvement store for skirting for our cabin. We're gonna get the typical grocery list, the pickup list, and go to the special appointment like I talked about. And no, if some of you are thinking Bonnie is not pregnant, nope, that's not it. But there is going to be an addition to the family, so you'll have to wait and see. All right, speaking of additions to the family, we are in the backwoods of Big Lake somewhere, on the backside of Big Lake, Alaska, and this is our first stop. So no, we are not going to get anything on this stop, but I don't know if you guys can see in the back window there, the trailer I'm pulling, we have the Ski-Doo Scandic, the heavy hauling machine that we've had out at the lodge for 8 or 9 years. And that machine has hauled in almost all the materials for mine and Bonnie's cabin and a lot of other building projects that we've done out there, plus propane and groceries. That thing is hauled like crazy for us. So it's time to say goodbye to that. Not an addition to the family, but getting rid of it. You guys know from previous videos that we just acquired a new to us Arctic Cat Bearcat, and that is going to be our new heavy hauling machine. So hello to the Bearcat, goodbye to the Scandic. So I made a few phone calls. I found somebody that is willing to buy this from us. It's old, it's in disrepair, but it's got a lot of good parts on it. So we're going to sell this and say goodbye to it. Well, the end of an era. That machine was good to us, and hopefully it can be good to whoever wants to put some money into it. All right, we are nearing the end of the day. We're eating a little bit of Panda Express as an early dinner because our appointment is at 5 for the thing I've been leading you on all video about. And Emma is going to tell you what it is. What are we doing, Emma?
Getting a puppy.
Say it louder.
Getting a puppy.
We are getting a puppy. So our previous lovable mutt, Howie, was half lab, half black lab, half German Shepherd. And he was just such a great mix for out at the lodge. And this little puppy that we're getting, it's a rescue dog, and it is also a lab shepherd mix, although I think it's possibly a yellow lab shepherd mix, because she is more the yellow color, like the yellow lab. So it's a girl. We're super excited about it, and that is our next stop. think, babe?
Happy. She's super sweet.
Piper, Piper.
We decided on the name Piper because sandpipers are one of my favorite birds, and also for the plane Piper. So it's alright.
Mommy, I can still understand this.
All right, it is the morning after, guys, and we are headed back home, driving up to the trailhead. We were gonna get an earlier start, but I looked at the weather and it was 14 below Fahrenheit at the trailhead, so we decided to wait a little bit and let it warm up. Our one major challenge is going to try to be for Bonnie to hold her or cradle her while Bonnie is riding on the back of the snow machine. So we have an ergo. For those of you with kids, you probably know what that is. So that's the plan. We'll see how it works out, and we'll get this little puppy home and keep her warm. All right, where are we going, Nim?
To Alaska.
To home.
Yeah,
What does Mom have?
Piper.
There she is. All bundled up, ready for the ride. All right, we have our load.
Can you say? Can you?
I've got the metal roofing here, and got the Bearcat loaded down. We are ready to go. Let's hit the trail and get this little puppy home.
Bramante Brothers.